In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo account suspended, Recovery Guide 2025. If your Venmo account is suspended, the fastest way to resolve it is to contact Venmo directly and clearly explain what's going on. We'll walk through how to reach support on the web, inside the app, and by phone, plus a few tips to make the process smoother. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Venmo support. Look for the official Help Center result from Venmo. On that page, go to the Contact Us section. This is the central hub for all the ways to reach their team. On the Contact Us page, find the area labeled Connect with Support. This is where you'll see your options to message or call. If you prefer to type, choose the messaging option. It's great for attaching details and letting support review your account without waiting on hold. You can also message support directly in the Venmo app during their chat hours, which are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time. Open the app, go to Get Help, then tap Chat with Us. Describe exactly what you see, mention that your account is suspended, include any on-screen notices you received, and note when the issue started. Keep your message concise but complete, so the agent can quickly understand the situation. If you'd rather speak to someone, you can call Venmo support. Phone support is available every day, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time. Calling can be helpful if you need real-time guidance or have follow-up questions. When you connect with support, whether by chat or phone, explain that your Venmo account is suspended and you're seeking help to restore it. Share relevant context such as recent activity that might have triggered the suspension, and be prepared to verify your identity if asked. For security, never share your password, one-time codes, or any sensitive information that a legitimate agent wouldn't request. It's also a good idea to ask for a case or reference number and an estimated timeframe for review, so you know what to expect. If you're using chat outside the live hours, you can still send your message. The team will typically follow up when they're back online. Keep an eye on your app notifications and email associated with your Venmo account for updates from support. That's it. Search for Venmo support, open the Contact Us page, use Connect with Support to message or call, follow the app path to get help and chat with us during chat hours, and then clearly discuss your suspended account with the support team. Stay patient and responsive, and you'll be on your way to getting access back.